Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So this is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a explanation of some remaining topics and exercises from chapter number 11, that is environment. So without wasting your time, take out your textbook. Students, before starting a new topic, let's have a quick overview on our previous topic, that is environment. It is categorized into two components, that is biotic component and abiotic component, and formation of soil, weathering, and what is soil erosion, and how to conserve the soil. The methods I told you in previous video are afforestation, minimizing the use of cattle, building embankments, terrace farming, and now in this video we are going to discuss about the next method, that is contour farming. So students, contour plowing is a way of farming where you dig grooves in the field, plant your crops in these grooves, and follow the land's natural shape. This helps stop soil erosion as grooves act like barriers to slow down the water, giving it time to soak into the ground. So students, contour farming is also a best way of farming where farmers dig grooves in the field and plant the crops in these grooves and follow the land's natural shape. This helps to stop soil erosion, and as grooves of this field acts like a barrier to slow down the water and give it time to soak into the ground. So that's also the best method to prevent soil from the soil erosion. Next is windbreak. A windbreak, also called a shelter belt, is like a row of trees or bushes planted to block the wind and keep soil from washing away. People often grow them around the edges of field on farms. So students, windbreak, that is popularly known as shelter belt, is like a row of trees or bushes that are planted to block the wind and keep soil from washing away, and people often grow them around the edges of the field on farm. So this was the remaining three methods that are used to conserve the soil. So students, as you know that due to the growth of population of human, forest and agricultural lands are being cleared by cutting trees. So the roots of the plants help to hold the soil together, and the soil can be easily blown away. So that's the reason the soil erosion can cause, and the methods I told you is the best way to prevent soil from the soil erosion. Now students, did you know most Caribbean countries like Brazil, Central African countries, and parts of Southeast Asia are experiencing severe erosion on more than 70% of their arable land. So this is a fact. Now let's summarize this chapter. So in this chapter we studied that soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow, and soil is formed by the weathering of rocks due to wind, water, heat, and other agents. Soil erosion can occur by wind, water, and human activities like deforestation, plowing of hillsides, etc. Soil conservation is the protection of soil against erosion, and some methods of soil conservation are afforestation, terrace farming, embankments, windbreak, etc. So students, as you know that soil is a precious natural resource found on the earth. So let's conserve the soil by the method of conservation of soil like afforestation, etc. Now it's riddle time. Listen carefully everyone. I am the act of removing trees. I am the act of removing trees and vegetable from an area, leaving the soil vulnerable to the erosion. My consequences are severe. Who am I? Think all of you. Right, it's deforestation. So deforestation is the act of removing trees and vegetable from an area, leaving the soil vulnerable to erosion. And the consequences of deforestation are severe. Now students, let's come to the exercise from this chapter. We will discuss about the question answer of this chapter in our next video. Today we are going to fill the book by doing some exercises like question number C, that is filling the blanks. So dash are built along the river banks to prevent soil erosion. So which method will be written here? You have to write here embankments. Embankments are built along the river banks to prevent soil erosion. Next is plowing on hillside causes soil erosion. Third one, dash and dash are the soil conservation methods. So students, you know very well, afforestation and terrace farming are the soil conservation method. So in first blank you will write AFFORESTATION, afforestation, and in second you will write TERRACE, terrace, FARMING, farming. Next, fourth, dash can also lead to landslides. So students, you know very well, soil erosion can lead to landslides. So here answer will be soil erosion. Fifth, in plains farmers build dash around the field. So here answer will be windbreak. You will write here windbreak. Now let's come to the question number D. That is, write T for true and F for the false statement. So here some statements are given. You have to write T for the correct statement and F for the false statement. First statement is rain does not loosen the topsoil. So students, you know very well, rain loosen the topsoil. That's why this statement is false. So you will write here F. Next is building embankments prevent flooding of field. Is it true or false? So student, building embankment prevents flooding of field. So this statement is true and you will write here T. Third, if topsoil is eroded, land become infertile. Yes, this statement is true because if topsoil is eroded, then the land becomes infertile and there will be soil erosion. So this statement is also true. So you will write here T. Next statement, rainwater helps to conserve soil. Yes, this statement is true. Rainwater helps to conserve soil. No, this statement is wrong. Because rainwater loosens the topsoil. So how can we say that rainwater helps to conserve soil? Here this statement is false. So you have to write here F. Next is afforestation. Afforestation reduces soil erosion. Yes, this statement is true because afforestation, that means planting more and more plants, reduces the soil erosion. So this statement is true. So here you will write T. Now that's it for today. I hope you understood all the topics and exercises very clearly by the help of this video. In our next video we will discuss about the remaining exercises with question answer. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you, students.